Hi guys, today we will explain about how to create GIFs in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and open a project in which you want to create GIFs. The next thing is import that media which you want to change into a GIF. As you can see, I import my media. Now tap on this plus icon to add this in your timeline. Now the video has been pasted. For creating GIFs in Clipchamp, we have some rules, and that is if I click on the option export, here you can see the option of GIFs, but it's not available because for videos 15 seconds or less, it means we need a video which is less than 15 seconds, and this video is about for 55 seconds. So the first thing is we will cut this video and will turn into 15 seconds. Now we cut out the video and turn it into 14 seconds, and here you can see the option of export. Click on it and tap on the option GIFs, and here you can see now it's exporting. Using this method you can turn your image or video into GIFs in Clipchamp.